This video is the battery replacement guide for iPhone 8P. Remove the SIM card tray. Remove the two screws at the bottom edge of the iPhone. Use a blower gun to heat the edges of the screen. Remove the screen. Remove screws securing the logic board connector bracket. Remove the bracket. Disconnect the battery connector. Remove the battery sticker on both sides. Remove the battery. Apply battery sticker to the new battery. Install the battery. Attach the new LCD socket sticker. Install back the screen and battery connector. Install the two screws at the bottom. Install the SIM card tray and replacement completed.